you see a lot of big problems B2B marketplaces are in a great position to solve across the spectrum of whatever vertical they're in. Product data and connectivity. What are you seeing when it comes to, how do you think about those two things, those huge challenges, and how marketplaces are positioned to try and solve those?
Again, it depends, but more and more what these B2B marketplaces are doing is they're integrating into the ERPs of both the supply side and the demand side, such they have access to all the inventory, the capacity and capabilities of the factory, to all the different inputs that are related there, and creating full transparency from manufacturing all the way to delivery. And that's something that hasn't existed. Literally, you're ordering timber, and from whatever a Chinese manufacturer ordering timber from Canada, and like no idea, whether they are buying it versus cutting it, to the versus like bringing it to the harbor, to like shipping it across the Pacific, et cetera. Like there's no tracking, no payments was opaque, everything's opaque. There's like 27 intermediaries between buying and delivery, and so all of that is now being unified. So you have one single record and one point of contact, and one person you can go yell at if things are not working.